천하제일 곱슬 대회라고. 베스트 오브 베스트인 것 같은데. 오, so beautiful. So cute.
I don't know. You are the best, so
I will try.
you know I trust you.
Please tell me about what you wanna.
Can I have like magic?
매직.
magic? 그냥 혹시 그 볼륨 있는 거 할 수 있어요?
볼륨 있게 해드릴까요?
펌 하면서 펌은 안 되죠?
펌보다는 좀 볼륨감 유지하면서 머리가 펴지는 느낌이 가장 좋을 것 같아요.
오랫동안 유지할 수 있게끔 했으면 좋겠어요.
천하제일 곱슬 대회라고 챌린지 하고 있어요.
아 그래요?
베스트 오브 베스트인 것 같은데.
아 그래요? 감사해요.
I'm so very excited.
Yeah, me too.
It's
Can't wait.
your specialty is for career.
Because many people don't know
Yeah, strong.
how to deal with foreign hair.
Yeah.
그냥 가면은 안돼
안 돼. 안 돼.
왠지 이게 잘 안 나올 것 같아.
안 될 것
어.
같아.
아니면 탈색 했어요? 안 돼요.
안 돼요.
네, 데미지 너무
안 돼요.
커요. 어.
Are you okay?
Yeah. I'm just looking at you. How
Why
you're
looking at
working.
me?
I'm looking at you. I mean, like the way you care about my hair. Well, to be honest with you, the way you brush hair is different from mine.
Oh, really?
I just, let's see, it's not working.
Smoothie is
Yeah.
carefully, you know? For one half hour.
Yeah, 1.5 hour from Seoul.
Seoul.
Yeah,
Yangcheon.
yeah.
Maybe from.
I want to move here. When are you coming back? We need you. Many foreigners are suffering.
You want a side bang? Bang.
Yeah,
Front
yeah.
bang is side bang.
I think I want front.
Front.
I have one gray hair. Oh,
Why?
I'm thinking about changing maybe my hair color.
Yeah.
Like yours.
Yours.
I love this color.
Oh, do you want?
Maybe next time.
Next time, no way. We gonna bleach it.
No. It's North Africa.
North Africa.
I love my curly hair.
Yeah.
Maybe in another country, but not in Korea.
Oh.
We have straight hair, and some people have curly hair. We are all different.
Oh.
Even in Korea, you can find some people with curly hair too.
Yeah.
Most of Korean people, they have like straight hair.
Some people body is not too strong. Not strong curly hair.
So it's hard for foreigners to find like a place where they can really like take care of.
Korean technique is better. Not this product.
Of course, 한국 기술이 좋지. 근데
제품은?
한국 사람을 위해서 만든 거지. 그래서 해도 더 안 맞은 사람들도 있고 곱슬이도 안 풀린. And sometimes if you don't know your hair type and if your hair is damaged or not.
Yeah.
So I think the best, you better visit the beauty salon because when I do my hair with you, I go home and I'm satisfied. Yeah. Wow. Can I take a video?
Huh?
Quickly. You are a masterpiece.
도파민
You know my birthday is on Tuesday.
Oh, Tuesday?
Yeah, next week.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What you gonna do?
Well, nothing special. So
Oh.
this is why I came to do my hair.
Okay, I'm gonna for you present.
Really? Woo! Thank you so much for making me happy today. Wow. Thank you.
Welcome. Oh, so cool.
Yeah.
예뻐요.
감사해요. 덕분이에요.
이렇게?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm happy.
오, so beautiful.
Thank
It's Korean style.
Style
Its name is Slick Pump.
you. Sleep pop.
Slick Pump.
Slick pop.
Pop.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.